Hi guys, welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I regrow my hair using just one ingredient. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I did a 30 days Chebe routine. Okay, so I know I've done a lot of Chebe videos on my channel. Please do well to check it out. So this is the Chebe water. I added rosemary to this and I left this to infuse for 48 hours. After 48 hours my Chebe water was ready. Then I saved this Chebe water from the Chebe itself. Chebe is originated from Chad. It helps the Chada women to grow their hair really long and moisturize their hair. It helps to promote hair growth. It helps to treat alopecia, baldness. So if you are having baldness and alopecia, try Chebe and your hair will grow. This is a tested video I have done, so I added the oil also into the water just for in case I don't want to oil my hair. I can use this to hydrate my hair. And yeah, so this is what we have, and we'll move to the next step, which is application. So from this is day one, like day one, week one of this application. I apply this all over my hair every day. Once a day I just pour this all over my hair and I massage my hair, and after massaging I make sure that everything goes very well in my hair, because the key is to promote blood circulation to our scalp. So this is what my hair is looking. My hair is really coming out. So guys, please watch to the end of this video so that you can see the length of my hair, how long my hair is right now. Yeah, so please keep on watching. So guys, this is end of week one and I noticed that my hair was becoming darker. Okay, and I can see a little bit of volume than before. So this is my hair after week one. I want to wash and plait it again for week two. So please guys, keep on watching. Let me know in the comment section, do you think the hair is dark after just 1 week? Let me know. So from this is week two, I am starting a new one. Okay, so I'm also going to be using the same method I use in week one. Just hydrate my hair and spraying cold days all over my hair. This is what I'll be doing throughout. Then I added the oil and I also added the butter. Okay guys, so this is a fresh Chebe water I'm using on my hair. So every week I refresh my water. All right, so just take note of those. Yeah. So here I'm using this my scalp massager to massage my hair. This is week two. I decided to implement using my scalp massager than using my fingers, but if you don't have this, you can still use your fingers. There's nothing bad with using your fingers. Yeah, so I just wanted to try using my scalp massager to see if the process, it will be speed up the hair growth process. So I'm using the oil because the batch I did for week two, I did not put my oil inside. So I'm using the oil I put it in the tip of my fingers and I also massage my scalp. Then I'll also use the butter. I've done a full video about all this I am using. Please do well to check them on my channel. So this is the butter guys. It's so soft. So this butter melts so well in your hand. So I'm just going to using this butter to rub all over my hair to seal in all the whole moisture on my hair. So guys, this is week 2, as I said, and I'll be showing you guys my result at the ending of this video. Please do well to watch the video to the end. If not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. Applying this Chebe spray on my hair had a lot of growth. I'm just going to take down my braids and show you guys what my hair looks like. Okay, so fam, this was the last day I loosed my hair, and guys, this made my hair feel so soft. My hair was fuller than before, and the length of my hair increased, like it really increased. So guys, let me know in the comment section. I have been saying Chebe, yes, because this actually works for my hair. I noticed my hair is a bit stubborn, so I needed to look for something stubborn for it, and it's grew my hair. It stopped my hair breakage. Like if I should comb my hair, like braid my hair, then lose it, then comb it, the force I have is unbearable. So this really helped me in stopping my hair breakage, because when I loosed my braid, I did not have any breakage. It was just little, as you can see from the video. So it's just this little hair fall I have, so which is a point. This is a plus for me. Yeah, so this is really amazing. Please do well to try this out. So guys, keep on watching to see the length of my hair. This is how my hair is full right now, the volume of my hair. If you can see volume, let me know in the comment section. Still on my lips for now, just 5 days, so may they improve? I don't know. What do you guys think? Just 5 days. So let me use my measuring tape to measure this. I have it almost 10 inches. This is a 9.5, almost 10. It's 10 inches, guys. From here, so maybe 9.5, maybe 10 inches. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Is it 9.5 or 10 inches? So guys, when I did this challenge, that is where my hair was, and this is in the other side of the video is where my hair is right now. So far, as you can see, my hair is growing really well using this Chebe routine. Yeah, so this is all for this Chebe routine, and I'll just wash my hair, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Starting from here.